Planning to build a web application in 2026? Whether it's a SaaS platform, enterprise tool, marketplace, or customer portal, one decision will shape your success. Choosing the right web app development company. In 2026, users expect speed, security, AI-driven features, and seamless cross-device experiences. A slow or poorly designed web app can damage your brand instantly. That's why selecting the right development partner is more important than ever. Why the right development company matters in 2026. Web applications are no longer optional, they are core business infrastructure. Customers expect real-time updates, smooth performance, strong data protection, and intelligent automation. If your web app fails to meet these expectations, users quickly move to competitors. A professional development company doesn't just build features, they create scalable architecture, secure systems, and future-ready platforms designed to grow with your business. Essential services to look for. In 2026, a reliable web app development company should offer strategic business consultation to understand your goals and market, custom web development using modern frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, or Next.js, responsive and intuitive UI/UX design that works seamlessly across devices, secure back-end development with scalable cloud infrastructure, API integrations and third-party service connectivity, AI and automation capabilities where needed, thorough testing and quality assurance, post-launch maintenance, upgrades, and performance monitoring. End-to-end service ensures your project runs smoothly from idea to launch and beyond. Key qualities of top web app development companies. Not every development firm delivers long-term value. The best companies stand out because of proven portfolio and industry experience, strong technical expertise in modern tech stacks and cloud platforms, clear communication and transparent pricing, scalable architecture planning, reliable post-launch support, positive client feedback and long-term partnerships. These qualities reduce risk and protect your investment. What does it cost in 2026? Web app development costs depend on complexity and features. Basic web application $15,000 to $50,000. Advanced web platform with AI features, analytics, and scalable backend $60,000 to $150,000 or more. The final cost depends on user roles, integrations, security requirements, design complexity, and long-term scalability. While budget matters, choosing the cheapest option often leads to higher maintenance costs later. Why 2026 is a strategic time to invest. Businesses in 2026 rely heavily on digital platforms for automation, customer engagement, and revenue generation. Web apps are driving SaaS businesses, internal operations, marketplaces, and subscription models. Companies that invest in modern, scalable web applications gain a strong competitive edge. The right development partner helps you launch efficiently and scale confidently. Choosing the right web app development company in 2026 is about more than building software. It's about building a secure, scalable digital foundation for your business. Focus on experience, technology expertise, transparency, and long-term support. With the right partner, your web app can become a powerful growth engine. Are you planning to launch a simple MVP or a full-scale enterprise web platform this year?